Let's run the cleaning cycle on a Breville BES870 coffee machine, folks. As you can see here, the cleaning cycle light is flashing, so that's telling us it's time to do a clean. Okay, it's an automated process. It just takes a few configurations to make it happen, and there are some pre-requirements before running that cleaning cycle. First one is making sure that we empty the drip tray. So take this drip tray out, and if we just take it over to the sink, we can tip it up to this corner. I've already drained this one and all the water will come out of it here. Okay, so we just turn it around to the sink, just tip it up like that. As you can see, there's a bit of water in it there, but if it was full, there'd be a lot more come out. In behind here, we have our little toolkit, and from that toolkit, folks, we are going to need the cleaning disc, and we are also going to need a cleaning tablet. The coffee machine comes with two of these, and this is the second cleaning cycle I've had to do. Okay, there are other tools in here. If we do need to clean the conical burrs of the coffee grinder itself, then we can use this brush, and there is also a hexagon Allen key here to allow us to get into the working parts of that. Also, there is a little cleaning tool here, and that's to clean the actual steamer if the nozzle was blocked. So bear in mind, if they need cleaning, just do those two. Okay, what we're going to do, folks, is then take the actual portafilter here, ensure there's a filter basket in it, and just insert this cleaning disc into that like so. Okay, we're going to then take a tablet, take that out, and just stick it in there. Okay, like so. On the back of the coffee machine, folks, you want to ensure that it has water in it and it is filled up to the top. As you can see there, I've got it filled to the maximum level, and that is to allow the cleaning cycle to complete successfully. Okay, what we then want to do is insert our drip tray back in and insert our portafilter back in with the little tablet into here like so. What we want to do at this stage then, folks, is turn the coffee machine off, and then when we turn it on, we want to be holding down the single shot, the dual shot, and the power button together for 3 seconds, and that will start the cleaning cycle. That's the cleaning cycle now started, folks, so we just let the machine work its magic, and this should last approximately 5 minutes and complete with an audible 2 beep sound. As you could hear there, folks, that was the end of the cleaning cycle when we heard the 2 audible beeps. So all I need to do now is remove the filter basket and give it a clean underneath the running tap. Point to note here, if you do look into the little filter basket here where the tablet was and it hasn't completely dissolved, then you need to go back and run the complete cleaning cycle again to ensure that this is ran through the cleaning process successfully. Okay, so over we go to the sink then. Just tip any water out. Just bear in mind from a safety perspective that there may be some hot water here, so don't hold your hand underneath it. Okay, and take this out, just get some cold water, run the little cleaning disc underneath the water too, and place it back in the toolbox. From an aesthetical point of view, folks, at this stage you'll probably just want to clean the drip tray as well, and obviously the outside of the coffee machine itself. Just bear in mind not to use anything abrasive or any detergents that could possibly damage the coffee machine itself. But if you follow the guidelines of the manufacturer's instructions, it should keep you okay in that line of things. Okay, that's the cleaning cycle complete, folks. The cleaning cycle light, as you can see, is now turned off, and it won't come on again until we need to do this again. It's just all part of keeping the warranty right with the machine. If something serious did happen, at least you can say that yes, you've conducted the cleaning cycle, and if they conducted some checks, the manufacturer, they could say yes, you have done, and this is a fault with the machine. I've had many months of good use out of this here now, and this is a high scale area where I live, hence the reason why I'm abiding by the cleaning cycles when they come around, and obviously changing the filter when it's required to. As always, any questions, folks, drop them in the comments, follow for more. I'll leave this one with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.